RAND function is a predefined Excel formula that will generate a random number between 0 and 1. Let me show you how RAND function works. Equal, type in RAND, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, enter. See, we have a random number between 0 and 1. And the value in this cell will automatically update every time when this worksheet recalculate. Let me type in a number here. See, RAND function generated a new number. Again, the number changed. And when I delete this data, the worksheet recalculated and we have a new number. F9 is the keyboard shortcut to recalculate an Excel worksheet. So whenever I press the function key F9, we will have a new number in this cell. F9, see the number changed. Let's copy this formula into the cells below. We have a small list of random numbers, and when I press the function key F9, the numbers will change. Now about the practical uses of the RAND function. RAND function can be used to randomly sort a data table. See this table here? This table contains the details of around 30 employees working in a small company. Now to randomly sort this table, select a cell in the adjacent column of this table, equal, type in RAND, open and close parenthesis, enter. We have a random number here. To copy this formula into the cells below, double click on the Excel fill handle. And we have a column of random numbers. Now to randomly sort this data, right click on any of these numbers, sort, select either smallest to largest or largest to smallest. The order of the records in the table changed. Again, RAND function can also be used to randomly pick values from a dataset. Suppose I want to pick 2 or 3 names from this table. Here is how I can make my choices random. Let me delete these formulas. I will pick 3 names. For that, 1, 2, 3. Next, we will find the rank of each number in this list. For that, select the first cell in the adjacent column of random numbers. In the formula bar, equal, type in rank, open parenthesis, select the first cell in the column for random numbers, comma, select the entire column of random numbers, press the function key F4 to log these references. See, the references have become absolute references. Close parenthesis, enter. 23 is the rank of this number in this list. We'll copy this formula into the cells below. We have the rank of each of these random numbers. And these ranks will be used to pick the employee names. To pick the first name, in the formula bar, equal, VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, first argument lookup value, select the cell containing the value 1, comma, second argument table array. The data range containing ranks and employee names will become the table array. Press F4 to log the references, comma, third argument column index number. Employee names are in the fourth column of this table array. Type in 4, comma, select false for an exact match. Close parenthesis, enter. We have an employee name here. Copy the formula into the cells below. See, we have 3 random names from this table. And every time when I press the function key F9, we will have a new list of names.